Tubers. This is the Nissan 350Z Malian manifold. Why I've got it out is I'm polishing it up, but I'm not just polishing it, I'm going to the detail of actually removing all the casting marks, smoothing off all of the welds. I'll show you how I'm doing it. I'm using, first of all, a flappy disc. That will take off quite a bit of metal here. So by the time I've gone all the way around the edges, all the way and over some of the protruding welds, then I will work through these sanding wheels, basically, going through the grit down to the fine. Once I've gone right down through all the grits and got this lovely and shiny, I'll finish it off by hand with Solvo water salt. So this is the before. That will go on my engine, which will be on my website, and later on, once it's finished and polished, I'll show you the finished result. Anyway, thanks for watching my video. Please like and subscribe. Thank you very much, guys.